Okay, so coming back to our track, that is a self loop. Okay, so the self loop is actually starting from this particular node, that is x3 node, and it is terminating at the same. Okay, so this it is not actually the feedback loop, but it is a loop only. Okay, feedback loop should be originating and terminating at a same point, but it should be passing through any another node, and it should not pass through any other node twice. Okay, but that condition will not be applicable if you will see the loop is starting from one point and ending at one point. It is known as a self loop only. Okay, so this is nothing but your self loop. Okay, another terminology as far as this signal flow graph is nothing but your uh, two non-touching loops. Okay, either two or okay, 1 minute. Okay, another is your non-touching loop. Okay, the non-touching loop will either be a two non-touching loop, three non-touching, and so on. 3 भी हो सके, 4 भी हो सके, 5 भी हो सके. Okay, what is actually non-touching loop? Okay, the definition of non-touching loop is what? If there is no node common in between the loop, two or more loop, such loops are said to be non-touching loop. Okay, I will give you the example. Example number one. Okay, the scenario number one, in which I think is it visible to everyone or not?
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir,
visible.
visible.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
visible.
So, scenario number one, in which we are having the two loops. Is this a loop? Feedback loop x2, x3, and x2. Okay. Next loop is what? x4, x5, and back to x4. So these are two feedback loops. I will say this as a two non-touching loop if there is a no node common in between this loop. Loop number one is this. Loop number two is this. Feedback loop number one and loop number two. If there is a no node common in between this two loop will be non-touching loops. જો આ બંને લૂપ વચ્ચે કોઈ બી નોડ કોમન ના હોય તો એ બંનેને નોન ટચિંગ લૂપ કહેવાય. આના નોડ શું છે? x2, x3, again x2, x4, x5, x4. कोई भी कॉमन आयो? हाँ के ना?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
this
No.
loop number one and loop number two are non-touching loops. Okay. The scenario number two. x1, x2, x3, t1 2, t2 3, t2 1, and t2. This will be a loop number one, loop number two. આ loop તો કહેવાય ને, feedback loop તો કહેવાય છે. આ બી loop કહેવાય. Okay. આ loop number one and loop number two. Is there any node which is common in between them? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Which one is
Yes, sir.
common?
X2.
X2, sir. X2.
X2.
So this
X2.
will not be a two non-touching loop. આ નહીં કહેવાય. This will be. Okay, શું ધ્યાનમાં રાખવાનું? Node should not be common in between these two. Okay, જો એ ત્રણ થતી હોય, સપોઝ અહીંયાથી આમ રીડ્રો કરીને અહીંયાથી ફરીથી આ ડ્રો કર્યો અહીંયા. Okay, x6, x7, x8, 6, 7. Okay, તો આ કેટલી થઈ? 3 non-touching.
3 non-touching.
3 non.
Okay, so it might happen that you will be having a 2 non-touching as well as 3 non-touching loops also, because we will need to find out in your Mason's gain formula. Okay, so these are the terminology which we are going to use in your signal flow graph. Okay, so signal flow graph is having one particular thing in common, means one particular thing or one particular equation which we will use for finding out the transfer function of the system. Okay, so how we can find out the transfer function of the system? Okay, 1 minute. I think I have to use this only because this is more relevant. Let me adjust the camera. So Mason's gain formula. And I don't know how to handle it. Mason's gain formula. Mason's gain formula. Okay, Mason's gain formula is used for finding out the transfer function of the signal flow graph. Okay, because we want to find out the transfer function of the system. Okay, so what we have to do, we will find out the transfer function with the help of Mason's gain formula. What is actually the Mason's gain formula? The equation of Mason's gain formula is what? Overall transfer function is equal to summation of sigma Tk into delta k divided by delta. Okay, sigma Tk into delta k into divided by delta. I will go one by one. What are this k, delta, Tk and all this? So k is nothing but number of forward path. For the given signal flow graph, k is equal to number of forward path. Tk is equal to gain of kth forward path. Tk શું છે? Gain of kth forward path. Suppose there are 5 forward path, there will be T1, T2, T3, T4 and T5. Done. Delta is equal to system determinant which can be calculated as delta is equal to, now see this carefully, 1 minus summation of all individual feedback loop gain including self loop plus summation of all pair of two non-touching loop gain product including self loop, plus or minus summation of all, so not gain, it is gain, summation of all gain of three non-touching loop gain product including self loop, bracket over, plus next to આવશે, next to આવી શકે
Four
summation of
non-touching loop.
all gain of four non-touching loop gain product delta can be determined. એ ક્યાં સુધી ચાલશે કે જ્યાં સુધી તમારો 3 4 આવતું હશે ત્યાં સુધી. If there is a no 3 non-touching loop, we will stop it over here. Okay, 4 3 હોય અને 4 ના હોય તો અહીંયા સ્ટોપ કરી દઈશું. Okay, that is your delta k. Okay, system determinant of delta and subtract it for kth forward path. Okay, થોડુંક તમને અત્યારે એ લાગશે, but while calculating example it will be somewhat easy. Okay, so the system determinant of delta, okay, and subtract it for the kth forward path. Okay, I'm just going through once again. Overall equation is summation of tk delta k divided by delta. What is k? K is number of forward path. Suppose 2 forward path hoy, for 2 forward path આ equation શું બનશે? Summation કરવાનો છે k starting from, let us say, 0 to infinity or 0 to n. Okay, કેટલા forward path છે આપણી પાસે? 2.
Two.
આન્સર શું આવશે? Transfer function is equal to t1 into delta 1 plus t2 into delta 2
T2 into delta.
divided by, for k is equal to 3, t1 delta 1 plus t2 delta 2 plus t3 delta 3 divided by 3. K ranges from not 0 1 to n. Done. K is number of forward path, tk is gain of kth forward path, delta is system determinant which can be calculated as 1 minus summation of all individual feedback loop gain including self loop. કોનો સમેશન કરવાનો? બધી ફીડબેક લૂપનો સમેશન કરવાનો. એમાં કોને ગણવાની? સેલ્ફ લૂપને બી ગણવાની. આની સાઇન માઇનસ, પ્લસ સાઇન, summation of all gain of two non-touching loop gain product including self loop gain. હવે કેવી લેવાની? 2 non-touching loop લેવાની, એ 2 non-touching loop gain નો પ્રોડક્ટ કરવાનો including self loop and બધાનો summation કરવાનો. Next is minus summation of all gain of 3 non-touching loop gain product including self loop and so on. Okay, this will be more clear if you are having one example. Okay, so suppose you are having this for example, remember to write it down. Okay, so I will be taking this example. B, C, D, E, F, okay, B, C, G1, G2, G3, G4, and G1. Okay. Now from over here we are having loop like this. Okay. Again including the minus h1. Okay. On C point. 1 minute. That is a mistake I have done. I will doing it again. G1, G2, G3. This is how minus h1. F1, G1 over here, okay, G1, it is going like this. It is now G4 and G5, okay, and H2 is coming from this minus H2 minus L2. Okay, so I'm giving the self footprint as a G6. Okay, are you okay with this? Barabar?
Yes, sir.
Now tell me, raise your hand, how many forward paths are there? How many forward paths are there? Raise your hand, how many forward paths are there? Forward path, that means the path which is going from input to output. Raise your hand. Nobody?
Sir, we have raised our hand.
I can see only one student have raised the hand. 11, 6. બધાએ raise કર્યા છે? Only 3 students have raised.
સર બધાએ
Yes,
કર્યા
sir.
છે.
બધાએ કર્યું.
Only 5. Can't see them. Anyway, roll number 31. Forward path number
Yes,
1.
sir.
બોલો કયો લીધો forward path number 1?
Sir, A થી B,
Yes.
પછી B થી
સળંગ બોલો.
D.
A થી B જેવું ગુજરાતી માધ્યમનું નથી બોલવાનું આપણે. A to B, A, B, C, D એવી રીતે બોલવાનું એમ.
Okay, sir. A, B, C, D, E, F.
C, D બે વાર આવી ગયું. D બે વાર આવી ગયું એમ. A, B, C, D. Let us say it is a D dash. A, B, C, D. Okay, E છે આ. E, F and G. Okay, this is your forward path number 1, roll number 31. Okay, roll number means roll number 31. Is there any second forward path?
A to B, B to E, F ને G.
B to E. Okay. A, B, E and F, G. Okay. This is your forward path number 1. Okay. I'm naming as a T1. It is nothing but your T2. Okay. So this is your G5 and your G4. Okay. So what will be the value of T1? T1 is equal to Rule number 31.
Yes, sir.
Forward path gain T1 is equal to forward path gain એટલે બધાનો પ્રોડક્ટ કરવાનો. Okay, roll number 6. What is the value of T1?
1 cross G1 cross G2
1 into G1, G2, G3.
G3 G4
Okay, I will not write 1. What is the value of T2? Same roll number.
1 cross G5 G4
Done. Only 2 forward paths are there. આ forward path થશે આ?
No, sir.
No, sir. Because the signal is actually coming towards. અહીંયાથી આમ જાય છે અહીંયાથી આમ જાય. Okay. Yes, sir. Then so there are 2 forward paths. If forward
Sir.
path, yes. Yes.
Sir, we are not counting that self loop.
Self loop હજુ સુધી આયા જ નથી આપણે. કયું આ? This one. એ નહીં કરવાના. કેમ?
The G6 F1.
Why we are not counting in forward path? Because when we are not counting this one. Why? કારણ કે આ નંબર નોડ બીજી વાર આવી ગઈ એટલે. Okay?
Okay, sir.
So again there is a condition without touching any node twice. અહીંયાથી બીજી વાર બી કોઈ બી નોડ બીજી વાર આવવો જોઈએ નહીં. Okay? So whenever you are solving any example, your example will be having forward path. એ તમારે ડ્રો કરવાના. એની નીચે T1 લખવાનું અને forward path gain લખવાનો. Forward path number 2 ડ્રો કરવાનો. Forward path 2 number. Done. Next part is what? We have to identify feedback loops. How many feedback loops are there? Just count, okay, and raise your hand if you have done. How many feedback loops? Only feedback loops. Roll number 10.
Yes, sir. One F2B and second one D2C.
Were you present in the last session?
Yes, sir.
Have I removed you from the meeting?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Network issue was there. I thought I got out on myself.
Very good. Rule number 11. How many feedback loops are there?
Sir, there are 3 feedback loops.
Okay. Rule number 14. How many feedback loops?
2 feedback loops.
Feedback. Rule number 20. How many feedback loops are there?
Sir, 2.
Rule number 13. How many feedback loops are there?
2.
Okay. Total feedback loops are 3. Okay. How? First one, this one, Jua. C2D via G2 minus H1. Feedback loop number 1. I am drawing it over here. This is your G1, this is your minus H1. Done? Okay. Loop number 1. Okay. Loop number 1, gain is what? G1 H1 minus loop number 2. Loop number 2, starting from B, C, D, E, F minus H2 and B. Is it okay? I'm drawing it over here. B, C, D, E, F, G1, G2, G3. What is the value of L2 then? G1, G2, G3, G4, H2. Feedback loop number 1, feedback number 2. Which one is third one? Now see over here. Starting from B, G5, E, G4, F minus H2, B. Starting from B, E, F. I'm drawing it over here. B, G5, E, G4, F, L3. L3 is equal to G4, G5, H2. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So whenever you are looking at your signal flow graph, there will be might be happen that the loops are not that much visible. તમારે એને find કરવી પડશે. Okay, because some of the student have told कि આ બે છે પણ આ ત્રીજી છે કદાચ તમને નહીં ખબર. Okay, so what you have to consider, તમારે એક તો signal નો flow જોવાનો કઈ direction માં છે એ જોવાનો, plus it should be starting from one particular point and ending should be at the same node. It should be touching any other node, and it should not be touching that node twice. Okay, so there are 3 feedback loops. How many self loop are there?
1.
1.
One.
L4, it is nothing but G6. જે આવે છે. Done. So this is the idea of your self loop. We have found out the forward paths, we have found out the loops. Okay, now tell me how many two non-touching loops are there? કેટલી loop છે આપણી પાસે? આ 4 છે. Everybody can see it. This one, first one, second one, third one, and fourth one is your self loop. Okay, out of this, how many loops are two non-touching pair? એવી loop જોવાની કે જેમાં no node is common in between. Okay, અહીંયા હું અહીંયા ડ્રો કરી દઉં એટલે તમને કદાચ દેખાય, કદાચ આ નીચેનું ના દેખાતું હોય તો G6, it is nothing but your I4. I4 is equal to G6. L1, L2, L3 અને L4 એમાંથી two non-touching pair લેવાની. So what I will do, I will take L1 and L2. L1 અને L2 વચ્ચે કોઈ બી નોડ કોમન છે?
Yes, sir.
તો એ નોન ટચિંગ પેર નહીં આવે. Then L1 and L3 લઈશ. L1 and L3. L1 ના નોડ કયા છે? CD. ઓકે, આના નોડ કયા છે? BEF. આ બંને વચ્ચે કોઈ બી નોડ કોમન છે?
No, sir.
That means it is the non-touching pair. Okay, non-touching pair L1 and L3 ની બની. Now I will take L1 and L4. L1 and L4. આના નોડ શું છે? CD. L4 ના નોડ શું છે? F. Is there any node in common between these two?
No, sir.
No, sir.
It's again it is a two non-touching pair. એટલે પહેલી non-touching pair કઈ થઈ? L1 L3.
L3.
Second non-touching pair L1 L4.
sir.
Yes. Now I will take L2. L2 ને L1 સાથે ઓલરેડી આપણે લઈ લીધું છે, so I will not repeat it. Again C અને D આમાં કોમન આવે છે તો આ પેર નહીં બને. L2 L3 L2 અને L3 નોડ કોમન છે આ બે વચ્ચે? આમાં
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
E. Okay, so that will be a no. L2 and L4 આ બે વચ્ચે નોડ કોમન છે? કયા છે?
Yes, sir.
F.
Yes.
તો આ બી નહીં આવે. Okay, I will take now L3. L3 and L1 already થઈ ગયું છે?
Yes.
Yes.
L3 and L2 already થઈ ગયું છે? L3
Yes,
and
sir.
L4. Is there any node common between these two?
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
Yes,
F.
sir.
It is
Yes,
F.
sir.
બરોબર? So it will be like कि आप બંને નોન ટચિંગ પેર નહીં થાય. Done? I will take L4. L4 and L1 already છે જ. L4 and L2
Yes.
common F નહીં. L3 and L4 F is common.
Common.
L4 અને L4 એવું નહીં થાય હા. નો ટચિંગ પેર લેવાની છે, that means L1 ની સાથે L1 બી નહીં આવે, L2 ની સાથે L2 બી નહીં આવે, L3 ની સાથે L4 બી નહીં, L3 ની સાથે L3 નહીં આવે, L4 ની સાથે L4 બી નહીં આવે. So how many pair of two non-touching loops we have got? First pair and the second pair. Okay, so L1 L3 and L1 L4. So okay, what will be the gain? L1 no gain શું છે? G1 H1 minus, okay, L3 no gain શું છે? G4 G5 H2 and again minus. Minus minus plus થશે. Okay, I am writing it over here again. What is the gain of L1 L3 G1 H1 minus and G4 G5 H2 अभी minus 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 plus G1 G4 G5 H1 H2. Okay, so this is the first pair. Second pair is what? L1 L4 L1 L4 L1 no answer શું છે? Minus G1 H1. L4 is nothing but your
G6.
the answer is minus G1 G6 into H1. Okay, 2. Now is there any three non-touching loop? હવે પહેલામાં કેટલી લેતા હતા? બે લેતા હતા. હવે શું લેવાનું છે? ત્રણ લેવાની છે. એટલે that means L1 L2 and L3 એમાં ત્રણેયમાં નોડ કોમન ના આવતા એવું કોઈ છે?
So.
Sir.
ઓકે, બધા નોડ કોમન આવે છે તો એ આપણે નહીં લઈ શકીએ. L1 L2 અને L4 આમાં બી આવી જાય છે. So there is a no pair of three non-touching loop. આ loop number 1 છે, loop number 2, loop number 2 and loop number 3 and loop number 4. So there will be a no three non-touching pair. Okay, done. એટલે અહીંયા આપણો પૂરો થઈ જશે. Now I will write Mason's gain formula. What is Mason's gain formula? Mason's gain formula is what? Transfer function.
Summation of TK
Summation of TK into
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 delta
delta
K
K by
upon
delta.
Okay. How many forward paths are there? કેટલા forward path થયા હતા?
2.
2. So my equation T1 into delta 1 plus T2 into delta 2 divided by delta 1. Okay. આવું થશે. Now I will find out first delta. Delta is equal to 1 minus. What was my equation? What was my equation? 1 minus summation of all individual feedback loop gain including self loop 1 minus summation of all individual feedback loop gain. That means L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4. આ કઈ ઇન્ડિવિજ્યુઅલ ફીડબેક લૂપ થઈ, આ કઈ થઈ સેલ્ફ લૂપ.
self loop.
બ્રેકેટ ઓવર પ્લસ summation of all gain of two non-touching loop gain product including self loop. Okay, એટલે આપણને કઈ મળી? two non-touching
L1, L3 and L1,
L3 plus L1 L4 આ બે gain product અને પછી આગળ summation ની સાઇન છે, so we have made it summation. આગળ માઇનસ, હવે શું આવશે? સમેશન ઓફ ઓલ ગેઇન ઓફ 3 નોન ટચિંગ લૂપ ગેઇન. 3 નોન ટચિંગ લૂપ ગેઇન છે?
no sir.
No.
So અહીંયા so this equation is going to be terminated over here. Once again, your transfer function equation is this. Transfer function is equal to del tk into delta k divided by delta. T1 is equal to delta T1 k is equal to 2 T1 into delta 1 plus T2 into delta 2 divided by delta. Delta is equal to 1 minus summation of all individual feedback loop gain including self loop. Okay, એટલે બધાનો સમેશન કરવાનો છે. feedback loop gain including self loop L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus summation of all gain of two non-touching loop gain product including self loop gain. કેટલી two non-touching loop ની pair કેટલી આવી હતી? This pair and this pair. And here complete, that is delta. I will find out delta 1. What is delta 1? Delta k. તો કેટલા delta k બનશે અહીંયાથી? Delta 1 and delta 2 બનશે. System determinant of above delta and subtract it for the kth forward path. કેવી રીતે સબટ્રેક્ટ કરું છું કે આ delta 1 એની વેલ્યુ કેટલી છે? જે ડેલ્ટા ની આઈ એટલી જ છે. સો I will write L the same અને પછી એમાંથી સબટ્રેક્ટ કરીશ. પ્લસ L1 L3 plus L1 L4. We are taking first forward path. If the first forward path is touching to whatever which is coming in this equation, we have to subtract it. I am repeating, if forward path which is delta 1 માટે કયો forward path લઈશ? forward path number 1 અહીંયા કોઈ બી જગ્યાએ ટચ થાય છે, we have to subtract it. forward path number 1 is like this. એમાં કયા નોડ આવે છે? A B C D E F G આવે છે. ઓકે, L1 માં કયા નોડ આવે છે? C D. Okay, it is coming in forward path number 1. L1 is coming in forward path number 1.
Yes, sir.
So we have to go to L2. Which node are coming? B C D E F. Is it coming in a forward path number 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
We have to cut. L3. Which nodes are there? B E F. Is it coming in a forward path number 1?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
L4.
Yes,
F.
sir.
Cut.
Yes sir.
L1 L3. L1 L3. L1 ના નોડ કયા છે? CD. L3 ના નોડ કયા છે? B E F. Is it coming in a forward path number 1? Yes.
Yes.
Any from this two loop. Okay, suppose it might happen that આ બંને કેસમાં કેવું કે L1 ના નોડ અને L3 ના નોડ બંનેના નોડ આમાં મેચ થાય છે. ઓકે, એટલે આપણે કટ કર્યું. It might happen that your L1 is not touching to the kth forward path but L3 is touching. Okay, તો એ કેસમાં બી આ કેન્સલ આઉટ કરવાનું રહેશે. Okay, any one loop which is touching to the kth forward path, we have to cut it down. Okay, આખી ટર્મ કટ થઈ જશે. Next is L1 L4. L1 forward path CD, L4 forward path is F. We have to cut it or not?
Yes sir. Got it.
Got it, sir.
Yes.
So delta 1 is equal to 1. Now delta 2. Delta 2 is nothing but the value of above delta. So I will write it again, L1 L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L1 L3 L1 L4. Delta 2 માં શું આવ્યું? A B E F G. Okay, A B E F G. L1, is it coming in forward path number 1? So forward path number 2?
No, sir.
Okay, so
No,
we
sir.
keep it as it is. L2, is it coming in forward path number 2?
Yes, sir. Yes,
Why?
sir.
Yes, sir.
અહીંયાથી જો આ BB આવી ગયો અને H બી આવી ગયો, તો we have to cut it. L3, is it coming in a forward path number 2?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Got it.
sir.
L4, is it coming in forward path number 2?
Yes, sir.
Got it.
Yes, sir.
L1 L3, L1 CD છે, it is not coming. L3, is it coming?
Coming.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
We have to cut it. Even though L1 is not coming, we have to cut because it is a pair. Next is L1 L4. L1 and L4, is it coming in forward path?
Cut.
L1 નથી આવતું, but L4 is coming, so we have to cut it. Your answer is 1 minus L1. What is the value of L1?
Minus G1 H1.
Minus 1 plus G1.
Okay, the value of delta is 1, delta 1 is equal to 1, delta 2 is equal to this. What will be the value of delta? Delta is equal to this, 1 minus L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 plus L1 L3 plus L1 L4. I will put all the values. L1 ની value શું છે? Minus G1 into H1 plus L2. What is the value of L1? Sorry, L2. It is minus G1, G2, G3, G4 and H2. L3 ની value minus G4, G5, H2. Okay, and L4, it is nothing but G6. Okay, bracket over plus L1 L3. What is the value of L1 L3? L1 L3 value we have got
G1, G4, G5, H1, H2.
1 minute. We have calculated it the previous. Okay, so it will be G1, G4, G5, H1, H2. Okay, plus L1 L4. L1 L4 is nothing but G1 into H1 and L4 is nothing but G1 into G6 into H1.
Minus H1.
Minus H1.
Okay, what we want? T1. T1 નો આન્સર આપણે આવી ગયો છે. T1 નો આન્સર શું આવ્યો?
G1, G2, G3,
Yes,
G4.
this one. T2 answer છે આપણી પાસે. Delta 1 answer we have got. Okay, what I will do? I will put the answer in my main equation. So TF is equal to transfer function is equal to T1 into delta 1 plus T2 into delta 2 divided by delta. T1 answer is what? This one. Okay, so G1, G2, G3, G4 into delta 1. What is the answer of delta 1? Delta 1 answer is 1 plus T2. What is the answer of T2? G4, G5. What is the answer of now delta 2? Answer of delta 2 is this. It will be 1 plus G1 H1 divided by delta. What is the answer of delta? This term, whole term, 1 minus into bracket minus G1 into H1 minus G1, G2, G3, G4, H2 minus G4, G5, H2 plus G6 plus G1, G4, G5, H1, H2 minus G1, G6, H2. This is your final answer. Okay, you have to multiply it. Final answer માં તમારે સિમ્પલ બધા જ જે બ્રેકેટ છે you should open it. Okay, so you will be having g1 g2 g3 g4 over here plus g4 g5 plus g1 into g4 g5 into h1. You have to open all the bracket. Okay, so this will be your final answer according to Mason's gain formula. Is it okay? Everybody got it? If you have any query, I can repeat it. Lower your hand, everybody. બધા lower કરી દો તો. Somehow there is a problem over here. I can see some hands are raised. Anyway, I will ask individually. Rule number 26. Rule number 26.
Yes, sir.
Okay. How we can find out delta 1? How can we find out delta 1? નથી ખબર? Rule number 31.
Yes, sir.
How we can find out delta 1?
તો ડેલ્ટા 1 માં આપણે સર આગળ જે આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કર્યું હતું સર તેની વેલ્યુ મૂકવાની છે આપણે.
Rule number 8. How we can find out delta 1?
सर डेल्टा की जो वैल्यू है वो लिखना है, फिर उसके बाद
Then
we are comparing that L1 and L2 is coming or not, that loop 1 and loop 2.
rule number 1.
Yes, sir.
How we can find out delta 1?
Sir, sum of all individual feedback loop gain, including self loop.
Rule number 2. What is the, how we can find out delta? Only delta.
સર આખું ફોર્મ્યુલા બોલો.
Nahin, how we can, just explain.
1 minus થાય તો summation of all individual loop gain including self loop. પછી એના summation માં summation of all gain of non touching loop gain product including self loop. અને એમાંથી minus summation of all gain of 3 non-touching loop gain.
સિમ્પલ ટર્મ માં કોઈ સમજાઈ શકશે મને?
delta 1 plus delta 2.
પહેલા ઓવરઓલ ડેલ્ટા and then delta 1 delta 2. તમને હેલ્પ ફાઇલ આપીશ આ બધી, બરાબર? એની ઉપરથી કદાચ તમને ખબર પડી જાય. અત્યારે તમે કદાચ સમજાઈ ના શકતા હોય, ઇટ ઇઝ ઓકે. ઇફ યુ હેવ સ્ટીલ પ્રોબ્લેમ, વી આર હેવિંગ અનધર ક્લાસ, સો વી કેન ડિસ્કસ ઇટ. Okay, this is the homework for you. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. You have to find out the transfer function using signal flow graph. કેટલા ફોરવર્ડ પાથ છે આમાં? Only one. Okay, A to G direct છે. How many feedback loops?
Three.
Three.
3.
Three.
Three.
Okay.
Three.
Sir, 4.
Four. Which one is fourth one?
Sir, we can take H1 and H2 single and then both together also. Maybe.
From
Sir, from B to D, and also we can take as B to F.
first
Both.
will be this one, B
Yeah.
C D minus H1 B. Second loop is D
D, E, F,
minus
then
H.
again minus H to D. Yes.
Third loop will be C D
C,
E
D,
to
E.
minus H.
E.
Okay.
Minus H.
Tell me which one is the fourth one?
Sir,
Sir, fourth one can be B to
B,
D.
B
B
to D.
B to D.
Sir, B, C, D, E,
Hmm?
F, then minus H2 and minus H1.
Minus H2.
Okay, sir, repeat नहीं था ना loop बराबर.
Yes. Okay, so this will not be coming. Only
Sir,
three.
B to E. Sir, B to E to D. B E D.
C D E. Then
Yes, sir, that also can be
D.
minus H3.
D D.
1 minute. B
वो भी repeat था.
D E
Then from E to C.
Sir,
minus H3 C.
C common आ ही जाए ना.
कॉमन आएगी. अभी नहीं.
B D E C B.
B
B D.
B C D. वन बाय वन बोलो, બધા જ બોલવાના. B C D
No. No, sir. B
No, sir,
D,
direct B.
B to D.
B to D.
કેમ?
E.
આને સિગ્નલની ડિરેક્શન આમ છે, આમ જવાય?
No, sir.
ત્રણ જ થશે.
ત્રણ જ થશે. Okay, you have to
Yes,
upload your answer in today's homework. Okay, છતાં બી ના ખબર પડતી હોય તો we'll be having some another class also. Maybe tomorrow I will not be taking your lecture. Okay, so we can plan it for doubt solving session for on Sunday, Saturday or something else. Done? Any query?
Okay, sir.
If you have any query, you can stay here or you can leave the meeting.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you,